All right. All right. All right. All right. New day, CPI coming in lower than expected, or well, as expected. I don't remember. Lower than expected. I will take lower than expected. Bitcoin is on the move. We can see Bitcoin has broken through the 50-day EMA. We were narrow there. We were narrow between the 100-day and the 20-day and the 50-day EMA. So maybe now we'll see a bullish crossover of the 20-day and the 50-day. I hope you've been following my channel. I have been bullish when it was hard to be bullish. Now Bitcoin's dominance is climbing, but today's a good day. Good afternoon. Lavi, okay, PNG is fully diluted. Okay, that makes very little difference in my price target. You know, up it by a few cents or something like that. So, good morning, Jeff. I'm going live on TikTok. So, another day. I'm guessing those ETFs are accumulating right now. I mean, and lots of things happening. So, hello, Coco and Landulsi. Sorry, I'm sure I mispronounced your name. Hello, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Alex. Oh, it was perfect. Okay. Well, good. Hello, Carlos. Carlos. Hello, everybody. It's a green day. It's a beautiful day. Green is my favorite color. It's always been my favorite color since I was a kid. And so I think I'm understanding a little bit more now. So let's see. Hello, Madi, Big Dog, JJ and Jess. Hello. Hello, George. Hello, everybody. Good morning, Alex. Why are we pumping? CPI. CPI came out positive. Well, came out with good. What's up, your boy? My man, spread the good news. Yeah. CPI came out lower than expected. Or actually, it was CPI met expectations, but it was lower than last month. That's what happened. What's CPI, Consumer Price Index? It's inflation. So the lower inflation goes, the better for short-term Bitcoin price action, at least. That's what's up. So how am I? I'm doing great. Hello, everyone. Will Kronos pump? Will Crypto.com pump? It will pump after we see Bitcoin cross and hold its all-time high. They changed CPI's definition to not include cocoa. Listen, yeah, somebody commented on my X account. I know that they changed CPI numbers to kind of pull the wool over our eyes, but what it means for short-term price action is the concern right now. For short-term price action, lower CPI means number go up. That's what we're paying attention to. So, Soul Bastard, good luck. Let's see. Hello, Crypto Greek, Bom dia, John. All right, let's talk some crypto. Bitcoin looking good. What's up, Trucker Rod? All right, no more saying hi to people. When people watch my live streams in the future on YouTube, they always are like, "Man, come on, get through the first few minutes here." Crody. So Crody went down much lower than I thought it would. I started buying some at $5 million market cap, and then it went down under 3 million, and I bought some more. That seems like a great deal. So yeah, I bought yesterday on at 4 million, and where's it at now? It's at 7 million. All right, I wish I bought more. I didn't think it was gonna start climbing again so quickly. So I can finally lay off the buying. There we go. H&H. Feelings about Ondo? Very bullish on Ondo. Are you positive about ETH ETF being approved? No, not at all. I'm not positive about it. I don't know when's it going to happen, you know? So let's see. Is this pump and dump or bullish trend upwards? I mean, all right, we're getting a little too excited right now. What I would expect is maybe some kind of a retest of the 50-day EMA. That's at $63,400. But good morning, bald-headed Jimmy Head. Miria, one of my top 3 gaming cryptos. AVAX price prediction 200 something. I don't remember the exact price. So what was I saying? Yeah, maybe a retest of the 50-day EMA. It's right now at 63.4. So Thoughts on Ethereum Meta? I don't know what you mean. Aurora, I have no idea as far as a price target. I like Aurora. Hello, Bob. It's crazy, LOL, how people go crazy on little green bubbles. Yeah. And people are going to be nervous if we get back down to the 50-day EMA and retest that. So people will be like, oh, man, are we dumping? Was that a false breakout? No, we're going to retest the 50-day EMA most likely. I would think. So opinion on Metaplex. I don't know anything about it. But guys, I don't know if you've been following my YouTube channel. I've been talking about being in general bullish at a triple level of support. We've held that support very well. And so I have been bullish. A lot of people asking about $52,000. And I woke up this morning and a thought came to my mind. Actually, it came to my mind yesterday, but it came back to my mind today. It was $52,000. People are asking, is Bitcoin going to go to $52,000? That reminds me a lot of November of 2020 when everyone was calling for Bitcoin to go to $12,000. I was not one of those people. And it seemed like $52,000 is the number that they want you to believe. They want you to wait to buy until Bitcoin goes to $52,000 so that you don't buy at $57,000 or $58,000 or $60,000. You wait until $52,000 and it never comes. So Reed, thank you so much. What do you think about the impact of inflation rate on other cryptos? I mean, Bitcoin dominance is rising right now. So we're going to start with Bitcoin and we'll see about after that. Good morning, Ollie. Let's see. Where do you think Crody? Oh, yeah. CRODIE. I think it's going over $100 million market cap. It's at a $7 million market cap right now. So can you check Wormhole, please? I'm not going to do that right now. Sorry. Thoughts on Pith? Massive unlock coming any day now. Their supply is going to double. I like Pith, but their supply is going to double this month if it hasn't already. Just be mindful of that. So good morning, WP. Crody up almost 200%. Missed that dip at 2 million. I bought some at 5 million. I bought some at 3 million. So which of the top 20 market cap coin will have the most gains? I don't know. Give me a second here. Which small cap dead cryptos did you scoop up over the weekend? Beppe, Brett's not small cap, but Beppe, Brett, Boj. I already bought some Zion Wallet and Produce AI, the ones that, so-called dead cryptos. So let me see top 20 market cap cryptos. Which one's going to perform the best? No, I'm not going to say XRP. Shiba Inu. That's pretty easy for me looking at this right now. Shiba Inu. ICP maybe second. ICP is number 20. So let's see. Guys, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. What about Pepe? I'm in a Pepe long. I posted that on X. So Pepe, I think, is going to a $45 billion market cap. It's at like a $4.5 billion market cap right now. Why Shiba? I mean, somebody asked top 20. Which top 20 crypto will put in the most returns? I mean, meme coin season. I have a video that I'm going to publish on TikTok and X and YouTube, a short video. There's a theory in my head, a hypothesis. Let me be more accurate. What if, when euphoria returns, meme coins just become a black hole? Like all the money just flows to meme coins. I could see that happening. What if all of my price predictions, like 75% of them, don't hit because just all of the money flows to meme coins? I could very much see that happening. So Bitcoin price target in 2025. I believe the market is going to peak in 2024. And $155,000 is my target, but I'm looking into this thing called 5.3 theory. It was developed, a theory developed by Crypto Crew University. I'm going to give some more thoughts on that on my YouTube channel. So World War Bitcoin, head over there, hit the subscribe button. That is what's happening, and utility will only win out after regulation. Crypto kicks. I'm 100% with you. Next bear market, I am buying utility. I'm buying ISO 20022 coins. I'm buying Render. I'm buying a lot ICP, a lot of utility. Right now, I'm buying AI, RWA, meme coins, and DeSci. So, all right, let's see here. Yeah, ICP for the top 20 gainer. That was my number 2 choice. Pepe will give the most X's. I mean, it's at a $4.5 billion market cap right now. So we're not getting 100X from here on Pepe. Unless you do a super high leverage long. So where's Pepe? Yeah, it's number 23. Oh my goodness. Pepe's number 23 in market cap right now. So Peepo, I don't know anything about Peepo. Which DeSci do you like? Noble Blocks and AXGT for now. Microcap AI coins too risky. They're underperforming, I'll say that. You know, but I think they're going to be great when the time is right. So what coin if you have less than 500 pounds? How about AOs? I don't know. I bought Brett yesterday, super cheap from the highs. All right. Put down the medicinal, bro. Memes will not be a black hole. They kind of were at the end when altcoins peaked. Okay. When altcoins peaked, we had this huge meme coin rally. For right now, my play is AI, RWA, and DeSci. Loop ring, $4.09. But when Euphoria returns, it's going to be a lot of memes. A lot of memes. So, all right, Pendle. What's Pendle at right now? I'm seeing Pendle comments. My conviction has not changed one bit on Pendle. Oh, yeah. Here we go. People like, man, what's going on with Pendle? Why is it dipping? It was dipping because it held up so well. And, you know, it couldn't stay held up forever. And now you had your chance to buy Pendle. I'm not going to check out Okta right now. I heard about it for the first time yesterday, but again, all right, Fury, new gaming coin from Activision, Blizzard, and Ubisoft will be huge. Okay, not gonna look into that at this moment, but that sounds intriguing for sure. The thing about gaming is crypto gaming is terrible. It's just really bad, and so I've always thought that whatever the future king of crypto gaming coins would be, that it would be something that doesn't exist yet. That would be by the big players. So Polkadot price prediction. Oh, Tao's moving well? Okay. Polkadot price prediction. It's $40-something. It's not much. So I'm not super bullish on Polkadot. Let me look on my spreadsheet here. $48.28. AO's price prediction, way too... My target's way too conservative. It's what was it? $3.40 or something, but I made that price target video when AOS was at like 15 cents. So Ring AI thoughts, Ring's going to come back. Let's see. I'm live on YouTube, by the way, World War Bitcoin. I can't answer every question on TikTok, but I can on YouTube. I'm getting through the comments on YouTube. Quick chain swap update, and do you think it could hit a $1 billion market cap? I haven't looked at the chart recently for chain swap. Let me see chain swap here. 8.355 cents. Market cap is $80 million. I could see this hitting $1 billion, yeah. So, you know, chain swap, people who bought the top called it a scam. It's not a scam. It's legit. It's a good project. Can Noble hit $1 this run? I don't know where Noble is price-wise. I know where the market cap is. So let's see what Noble Blocks is up to. Up 25%. Let's go. It's at 4.9 million. Can it hit $1? That's a 50x. It could. Honestly, it could. So highest X coin. How about Noble Blocks? Because I'm saying that Noble Blocks could 50x. It's insane to me that this thing's at a $5 million market cap. What a steal. Now, fully diluted market cap's 19.2 million. You got to be mindful of that. So Smash the like. Yeah, please smash that like on TikTok there. Why the pump today? CPI. So, hello, Matt. Did you ever get into Node AI? It has serious potential. You know what? I made a video about it, but I never got into it. You know, so maybe I will. Why is no one is talking about D-Race? I don't know anything about D-Race. Will Floki give best returns of top memes? It's possible. You know, top 5 memes, it's definitely possible for Floki. So, what's No Lux? I don't know what No Lux is. Oh, Noble Blocks. The ticker is NOBL. Target price for Floki, I don't have one. You know, maybe. I think it has a 10x in it still. So, LCX and ABT, my biggest winners for the euphoric rally. Yeah, those could do very well. I mean, especially, who knows about ArcBlock? ArcBlock's been insane lately. So, SOBA prediction. I'm not doing a prediction on SOBA. Alex, build a gaming project with HEEHEE like Crash Bandicoot. I'm open to that. Yeah. Your thought about ACA, FitFi, and MBA. I don't know about any of those, Abbas. Horse racing, betting, D-Race. Oh, okay. Hit $1 last run. All right. I mean, I don't talk about gambling cryptos all that much. So, yeah, ArcBlock going to be one of the biggest gainers. I mean, it's up a ton. How much higher is it going to go? That's so hard to predict, but ArcBlock's been killing it. It's amazing. So, do you think we're going to get back to March prices? Yeah, and beyond. HEEHEE pumping a little. Yeah, I see it. GameStop hitting 100. Where's GameStop at right now? I was big into GameStop in 2021. I was on I was on, what's it called? Wall Street Bets. I used to browse that subreddit religiously. And then the week of GameStop, the week that happened, oh no, GameStop's not hitting $100. The week that happened, I was like, what am I thinking here? Oh, Wall Street Bets, the number of subscribers on that subreddit quintupled, and I was like, this thing's never going to be the same, this subreddit. So I left. I don't pay attention to it anymore. So the Wall Street Bets before GameStop was actually a really good place to get information. So I don't know about anymore, but let's see. ICX icon any good? I don't really know anything about it. Do you think we're going to pull back to... Oh, yeah, answered that. Opinion on Nosana. I don't know anything about Nosana. Let us hear your water drinking ASMR. No thanks. Do you have thoughts on Avagachi Layer 3 going to base? I don't. 5 high risk, high reward coins. No, I'm just going to give you my top 5. Render AOs, Pendle, Ondo, LCX, HEEHEE. So, Arc AI and Root to $1. I don't know. I did a video on Root, so you can check that out. What do you think about Avalanche? It's fine. You know, we'll see about Avalanche Gaming. I could see Avalanche exploding during Euphoria. So, Aerodrome price prediction, $30. Around a little over $30. I'm very bullish on it. So near protocol prediction, $28. OX number thoughts. I have no idea where OX number is right now, but I have been bullish on it. I still am. I think it'll recover. So Jito, nothing. Thought on Wisdomize AI. Where is that right now? I got in on the pre-sale. I like it a lot. I think it's going to do very well. So it's up 20% today. You know, I sold a little bit yesterday. I kind of regret it. So Alex Labs made a video on my YouTube channel about that. I liked it. I don't remember what I said, but I liked it at the time. So let's see. What are your thoughts on Ethereum Meta? What is Ethereum meta? I'm assuming that's not, you're talking about like some kind of meta narrative with Ethereum. I don't know what Ethereum meta is. So, Crody, fire. What's Crody at right now? Yeah, it's finally climbing. It just went straight down, but it's climbing again. Will Velodrome have any gas? Yes. Alex, bro, near to $54. I hope you're right. I hope I'm wrong. Let me be wrong. So, do you think this Bitcoin pump will be short-lived? No, I don't. I think we're going to retest the 50-day EMA, and then we'll start climbing again. ADA prediction, $4.86. When will Jeremy start? What? Demo. Did I make a demo video on my YouTube channel? I don't think I did. Oh, I did. Yeah, never mind. I have a $2.07 price target for demo. So, do you have a target for Theta? Yes, I do. Guys, this is all on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. I made 120 videos. So, Theta, 2310. Jeremy Powell, when will he announce the interest rate? Next Fed meeting's in June. So, listen, the June Fed meeting, they're not going to lower rates. July Fed meeting, they're very likely to not lower rates. September is the earliest that they could possibly lower rates, that they will possibly lower rates. So you don't need to worry about the next Fed meeting. If Avalanche explodes, don't you think that would benefit Pangolin a bit more than your target? I acknowledge that in the video, Crypto Gummy. Yeah, definitely. So, thoughts on Swarm Markets? I did make a video on it on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. World War Bitcoin, Swarm Markets. Yeah, RWA, very low market cap. I looked at it. So, GLMR price prediction. Spreadsheet. That's all you have to do. $2.10. You had near at $46. When did you change to $28? If you were to watch my near video, I give 2 different price targets in that video. That's the only one that I gave 2 different price targets. And so what you would see is if Near becomes an access cryptocurrency like Solana is, you buy Near, like right now, you buy Solana because you want access to their ecosystem, which is mainly meme coins. If Near became that, then my price target would be $46. If it doesn't become that, my target's $28. I don't see any signs right now that Near is becoming an access cryptocurrency. So, Bitcoin price target in 2028. I've got nothing for you. Let's see how this bull run goes. So, do you still have high conviction on ICP? And price target still the same? Price target still the same. I have high conviction on ICP in general, but not necessarily like right now. Am I as high conviction as I was in the beginning of the year? Just because, you know, time's running out. Got to do something ICP. IA equals AO's AI Tech. What do you find about this team for this board? AI? Whatever. All right. Yeah, I think I see what you're saying. I think it's fine. That's all I'm going to say. Thanks for the Pangolin vid. You're welcome. Aurora, talked about it already. I don't have a price target or anything for Aurora, but I like it fundamentally, but the market cap is, or sorry, the tokenomics are pretty terrible. So, VET, 33 cents. Can Near Protocol do more than 5x? Yes. Why LCX don't move? You see negative, I see positive. LCX has been holding up very well. So that gives me more conviction on it. VRA, I've given up on VRA. Whatever's going on with their tokenomics, I don't want anything to do with it. ABT price prediction, again, I don't have one for you. Yeah, is ICP failing to become an access token like we hoped it will? On a long enough timeline, it won't. So I don't have a price prediction for ArcBlock, just along for the ride. So Avo, don't have a prediction for that. Chlor AI, nothing has changed for me fundamentally from a perspective of that I think Chlor AI is going to do very well. But I know that it's been underperforming lately. I'm not worried about it. Why LCX not move? I answered your question. What do you think will perform better in the next bear market, ICP or Solana? Solana is going to dump a lot harder than ICP, just like it did last bear market. That's just how it goes for Solana, which would make me very eager again to buy Solana. So I guess, I guess by that definition, ICP will perform better next bear market. But from the bear market bottom to the next peak, I think Solana is going to outperform ICP. Bro, can you talk about Gala? I talk about Gala a ton. 35 cents is my price target. Their tokenomics are abysmal. Anyone calling for a new all-time high with Gala, just tune them out. It's not happening. Let's see. September bull run. That might be a little early, but we'll see. Chainlink price prediction, $58.33. Do you think your Jupiter target is on the conservative side, $16? Nah, I don't think so, but we'll see. That was a difficult price to predict. Is RWA the next narrative for the bull run, bull cycle? It could be, very much so, yeah. Can you take a look into AIT protocol? I'd like to hear your thoughts. I've looked into it a little bit. I like it, but not going to do it right now. Arrow price target is conservative. It's a 30x. I don't think it's conservative. So, yeah, Arrow big dump is still going up strong. Just to talk about that. Chainlink $58.33. Excuse me. Have you looked into BVM? I haven't. Can't do it right now. Do you like AXGT? I like it a lot. I know it's down a lot, but it'll bounce back. So hey, it's up 11% today. I like AXGT. Blue Zell prediction and thoughts on Aptos top 10. I don't know enough about Blue Zell. LCX $7.37. Aptos could get to the top 10. Will it? I don't know. I have a $50 billion market cap prediction for Aptos. So could Shiba reach 0.00015? Let me think about this. My price target is 0.000229192. So I hope that answers your question. Cardano, $4.86. XRP, $3.02. Render prediction, $35. I acknowledge that's too conservative. What's a good crypto now that will go up? I don't know, man. Lots of them. Thoughts on Turbo? In general, meme coins will do very well. They'll pump like crazy. So, nice. Milas, I see you there. So, all right, let's see. People are saying LCX can go from $5 to $25 this bull run, but it's only at 27 cents. Is that actually possible in a couple months? It might not be a couple months. It could be longer than that for this bull run. But I would not sell Hopper, no. But can Caspa hit 2.5? $1.07 is my target. But my target's $7.37. I think that's in play. So $25, no. I see people calling for $50 LCX. I disagree. So Polygon, $7.86. Again, if you're asking for price predictions, like almost every one of these, you can see it all on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. If you head over there, hit the subscribe button, you could find it there. What happened with Pendle market cap? I have no idea. ICP prediction, $223.40. Let me see Pendle here. Now you're saying stay away from VRA. You gave it a 23-cent price target. Yep. And they changed their tokenomics. So now I am no longer a believer in VRA, and that price target will not hit. So ASM, I can't look at it right now. All right, what happened with Pendle market cap? Nothing. All right, so the market cap's down. Maybe they burned or something. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I'm not worried about it. Sinkus is dead. Forget about it. Stinkus. Yeah. $7 is only a few mil for LCX. If it gets more use case, it will blow maybe to $15. All right. We'll see when it happens. All right, back to Bitcoin. When investing in low caps, do you put a little money in many or more money in higher conviction plays and keep a handful of plays? I do a little in many, but it's not like I recommend that. So, you know, it is what it is. When the market goes into a euphoria, will everything rise at once or will crypto take turns popping? They will take turns. So, do you think Tau weakness is a canary in a coal mine for AI narrative? No, not at all. Not even a little bit. Ethereum price prediction, $11,689. Hey man, what about XSwap? Just launched on Coinbase, uses Chainlink CCIP. Sounds fine. I don't know anything about it other than what you said. Yes, ETH prediction still 11.6. Yep. Really, could Shiba reach greater than 0.00221? Yes, it could. That's less than a 10x from here. All right, let's see. Bitcoin going back to 62, 61K today, I feel. You know, I like to focus on more than feelings. I like to show look at what the charts are showing me. And I don't see that happening. Let's not talk about feelings here. What's the mindset? Where are you getting 61 to 62? You know, we've retested the monthly high plenty. Maybe we're on this ascending trend line. Let me get those trend lines out of the way here. You know, we've been battling between the 100-day EMA as support and then the 25 and 50-day EMA as resistance. We've broken through the 50-day EMA as resistance. And so now my general thought would be that we would come back and retest the 50-day EMA before it bounce higher. But 61, 62, based on how you're feeling, I just don't want to play that game. So, yeah, my feelings go away for cryptos. That should be the mindset, right? It's not easy because crypto is gonna make you go crazy, but that's what you should do. You know, which is why on days that crypto is dumping, I'm not on here crying about anything. I'm just, let's look at the charts. Let's figure out where we're going. So what happened with LimeWire? I have no idea. What's going on with LimeWire? 5G and Shiba, 5G on Doge. Sure. You know, I have a feeling, and it's just a feeling. Okay, we're talking about feelings, right? Here's a feeling. I'm wondering if Elon Musk is going to drop some kind of bombshell about Doge. I don't know. Maybe he'll start talking about Doge again. You know, so there's a feeling, and that's something you can't chart. I happen to like your realistic price predictions. Better chances you won't be left holding the bag. It's fine. You want to keep calling my price predictions realistic, but if you were to force me to choose, are most of my price targets too low or too high? My answer would be I think that a lot of them are too high. And you call them realistic? What you're saying is that most people are giving much higher price targets. So, what's your DCA out strategy? 20% at 10x? Ooh, no, Killian. That's way too aggressive. I would take my initials out at a 3x. And then after that, I'm just chopping away at it. So, when will you launch HEEHEE on Binance or Coinbase or KuCoin? As the price goes higher, you know, I mean, on KuCoin, to get on KuCoin, it costs $50,000. If you want to donate $50,000 to the HEEHEE wallet, to the marketing wallet, then I'll use that $50,000 to go on KuCoin. MEXC is $50,000. Bitmart's $50,000. You know, HEEHEE's market cap is $6 million, $5.5 million. So as the price goes up, more people will give to that wallet. And we'll see, you know. I definitely want to get listed on every exchange possible with that cryptocurrency. But what's your time scale for alt season? Third quarter, late third quarter. Oh, LimeWire was 150 now, 70 cents last month. Wait, was 150 and now it's 70 cents. That's what's happening with all these newer small cap cryptos. Do you think ICP movement is like that because big players holding it down? It's very possible, yeah. So if people will start emailing the exchanges, asking them to add it, they will add it on their own. I didn't know that. Okay. Yes, Naroshan. Thank you. Do you sell your spreadsheet? No. You can have my spreadsheet. It's publicly available. It's in all of my YouTube videos. There, I just commented it. So, when do you think the bull market will top? Most people think the bull market's going to peak in 2024. Or sorry, 2025. Like end of 2025. I think that we're going to see the peak of euphoria at the end of 2024. And so what happens after that? Well, if you remember 2021, the peak of euphoria was May. It was April and May. You know, it peaked when Elon Musk went on SNL. But then after that, you know, Bitcoin did put in a new all-time high in November. But when it comes to understanding market psychology, the euphoria really was in the second quarter of 2021. And so could something happen? Could something play out where we have this peak of euphoria in 2024? And then a lot of people, you know, and then we dump pretty hard from that. And a lot of people are still calling for Bitcoin and a lot of alts to peak in 2025. And maybe by the end of 2025, we did see a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Maybe, but my call is for the peak of euphoria to be in 2024. So, and I don't think that I think Bitcoin will hit its peak in 2024. I don't, you know, if anything, whatever happens in 2025, I think it would be a retrace, like a 702 retrace. So, but 2021 was following a year of halving. So here, listen to what happened in 2021. Well, let's go back to 2017, 2018, actually. So in 2017, Bitcoin had that big blow off top in 2017, and then alt season in 2018. In 2021, most people were expecting a big blow off top by the end of the year in 2021, and an alt season to come after that. That didn't happen. What happened was the peak of all the excitement came 6-7 months early. So we were early because we all knew it was going to happen, and we got a little too excited a little too soon. And so I'm projecting here that something similar is going to happen this time around, where even earlier than 2021, second quarter of 2021, we would see the peak of excitement happen by the end of 2024, maybe early 2025, and then we would go down and maybe have another move up by the end of the year, but I'm not counting on that. I'll be exiting a large majority of my crypto whenever it happens. You know, I could be wrong. Most people could be right in saying peak in 2025. That's fine. I will gladly adjust. I will reevaluate. But that's what I'm playing. That's what I'm going off of right now. So Crow price $1.80. Good morning, Huggy. Litecoin price prediction 460 something. I forgot what it was. What is it? $460.53. Hi, Alex. Today is a statement about inflation. How could it impact crypto? Bullish. So, Pendle burned some supply. I don't know. I have no idea. I just saw something about their market cap going down. Did you say ICP $200? I mean, $223.40 is my target, but I'm not going to be holding. If we get to $223.40, I will have 5% of my bag that I currently have. So, Cardano, $4.86. Alt season in 2024, 2025, 2024. Most conviction plays for a 12 to 15x. I already have Caspa, ABT, and LCX. Grabbing some Arrow now. Pendle, Ondo, Render, AOs. What's your view on Avo? I mean, how much can it... I don't know anything about Avo. Creo engine is waking up. Okay, cool. Hello, Adrian. Can Ethereum Classic reach all-time highs? It can, yeah. I bought Crody and Beppe, yeah. All right, Sui prediction. Sui, $11.43. Sui is very highly inflationary moving forward. Will Chainlink hit a new all-time high? I don't think so. What is your starting exit price point for ICP? I already had one, $16. So yeah, Ethereum Classic can reach all-time highs, but last time when Ethereum Classic pumped like crazy, it was the end. Okay, so just be mindful of that. I'm not going to look into Libra right now. If you keep asking it, maybe I will one day. Will Crody have a dip from here? I mean, it already had a significant dip. I think dips are going to be minimal now. So is ABT this cycle Solana? Maybe it is. But I mean, the difference between ABT and Solana is ABT is a very old cryptocurrency that's like rising like a phoenix from the ashes. So yeah, I think Cardano will hit a new all-time high. You seem very genuine. Thank you. What is your price prediction for Miro and Turbo? It's too hard with meme coins, but thank you for those kind words, Alex. It's just too hard with meme coins, especially smaller cap meme coins. I asked that because it seems like ArcBlock has the utility and bus to do it. Okay. If Avalanche takes off, what's the highest you could see PNG going? I don't even remember what my PNG price target was from this video. Maybe double of that price target. I really don't know. Can you repeat your thoughts about Ethereum Classic? If you see Ethereum Classic explode, if you see it do something like a 5x within the span of a week, that's probably going to be a good sign that it's over. That's what happened in 2021. So, hello, Bull. Price prediction for Beam, 27 cents. For example, for SHIB is going to pass 0.00015 when Bitcoin reaches its top, then lose dominance or while it's going up. After Bitcoin peaks. Hi, Alex. Will Pepe do a 3x? I think it's going to do a 10x. ArcBlock price prediction. Again, I don't have one. Just bullish on it. Still bullish on Key. Why would I not be bullish on Key? Yes, of course I am. Again, if I've talked about a cryptocurrency and I've talked about like I'm bullish on this cryptocurrency in 2024, then yes, I'm still bullish. There are 3 exceptions: Syncus, VRA, and EarnFi. So price prediction for Axe and DAO, I think it's going to go to a $500 million market cap, but I hold that loosely. Same for Noble Blocks. Hello, what did you say about Link price prediction? $58.33. 100 plus ABT, I don't know. What about Ampstead? Amp will not put in a new all-time high. Watch my video on it. They're trying to convince you that they're not dead, but they're dead. So still bull for Emerald. I talked about cryptos that look like they're dead on the charts that I'm eager to buy them. I mean, am I bullish on it? Yeah, sure. But I've never made any contact. I've never looked into it. I know a lot of people have talked about it before. So Dot and Cello, price targets on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. I don't remember. I don't think Dot's going to put in a new all-time high. HEEHEE to the moon. Yes, sir. Please do a price prediction for Ape and Arkham. Maybe. I'm not quite doing price predictions anymore. I did one for Pangolin just because I was like, all right, getting lots of requests for Pangolin. So thank you, V. Brett market cap prediction, $5-10 billion, something like that. I hold that very loosely. Any opinion on Axelar price prediction? No. Sorry, I just don't know enough. Noble price prediction, $500 million market cap. That's where I'm landing. I don't know what the dollar amount for that would be. $500 million market cap. NGL, the most sure 100x I believe in is HEEHEE. Yeah, you can say that. And I guess I can agree with you, but that's all I'll say. Do you think this is a fake out? No, I don't. Nope. It is not a fake out. This is not a fake out. Guys, I talked about this. I've talked about this a ton. Listen, Bitcoin was tested last week. So let me pull up the right moving averages here. So, oh, there it is. All right, the 100-day simple moving average. If there is one thing that you should pay attention to when it comes to Bitcoin, you eliminate everything else. The 100-day simple moving average. If we hold that as support, we will continue to climb. If we lose that as support on more than a one-day basis, then there's some short-term concerns. And so last week I made a video talking about there was a great deal of support converging on one area, a downtrend line, which you can't see on YouTube, but a trending down line that we hit resistance, broke through 2 weeks ago, tested as support multiple times, and then bounced higher. We held that, we tested it, we bounced. The all-time high monthly close, which has served as fantastic support for the last 60 days now, and that's still holding as support, and it held as support over the weekend. And then the 100-day simple moving average, they all met at this one point, if I can do this right, at this one point. And it was like this threefold level of support that was just really, really strong. And we've held it. And so, no, I don't think this is a fake out. I don't think we're going below those levels. If you were to see Bitcoin under $62,000, stop being a baby and buy, not financial advice. So Corium's garbage. Oh, wait, no, never mind. I was confusing that with something else. What was the one that I was thinking was garbage? It might be Corium. No. Sorry, I'm totally... Oh, Cybria. Cybria is garbage, not Corium. Corium, $2.63 is my price target. So... Okay. What is more accurate, CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap? I have found that CoinGecko seems to be more accurate. Do you think Doge can do a 10x? No, I don't. Let me get caught up here. All right, guys, again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I am not able to respond to every question on TikTok here, but I am able to respond to every question on YouTube. So I'm going to plow through the YouTube comments here. So VRA or Benkey? Benkey, easy. Any thoughts on Ondo price during bull market high? I have a $3 and something price target, but that's way too bearish. Or I shouldn't say bearish. It's way too conservative. I have not revised my price target. So is your targets in YouTube your final target, or will you take profit along the way? Oh, I'm definitely taking profit along the way. For sure. Can't wait for euphoria and people flocking into HEEHEE when market cap has flown past 100 million. Yes, can't wait. How to buy HEEHEE. Here we go. Here's the HEEHEE chart. And click on this contract address right there, HEEHEE 9D Love. And then you need a Phantom wallet. And then you need to go to Jupiter. So jupe.ag. And paste that contract address here, and you will get HEEHEE pulled up, and that is it. That's how you buy it. So you know what? Just for fun, I'm going to buy 0.1 HEEHEE right now. 0.1 Solana worth of HEEHEE. PNG prediction. Ain't no one buying HEEHEE. That's enough for you, Cryptex Finance. You're done. You're gonna come here and shill Cryptex relentlessly, nonstop, and then you're gonna rip on my cryptocurrency, the cryptocurrency that I created. You're gonna shill your cryptocurrency and rip on my cryptocurrency in my live stream. Wow. Wow. See you later. Joey Solana. What? I don't know what Joey Solana is. All coins will reach their all-time high at different times, correct? They will not reach their all-time high. They will reach their peaks, whatever the peak for this run is, but like lots of them will not reach their all-time high. So my friend Riley said Beppe is going to send. What are your thoughts, sir? I loaded up on Beppe. I love boredom. Beppe is very boring right now. I could see it. What's more accurate? Oh, yeah, I answered that. Please look at Avogacci Ghost. I can't do it right now. Thank you for taking the time to read and answer my question. You're welcome. Besides HEEHEE, what's your top 4 memes? Ooh, I don't know. I mean, I like Crody. I like Crody at this price. You know, it got to a $40 million market cap now, and then it went down to $2 million. I like Crody at a $7 million market cap. I think it's going to go over $100 million. Let's see, KeyCat. This thing's amazing. So I'd throw KeyCat in there. The Solana KeyCat. So look at this all-time chart. It's insane. This thing, cat memes are showing so much strength. This one, $3.4 million. The Solana KeyCat, okay? And then after that, I mean, bigger ones, Pepe, Doge, not Doge, excuse me, Pepe, maybe Shib, maybe Floki, something like that. So Coke Inu, I know I'm pronouncing it wrong, but COQ Inu, sure. It's going to be throw a dart at a dartboard season when Euphoria returns from meme coins. So what nerve. I just straight up blocked him. How do we know KeyCat or Crody won't rug? KeyCat, I mean, you got to look at the all-time chart. It got down to a $15,000 market cap. And so KeyCat was a community takeover. The developers, they didn't rug, but they gave up on it, and now it's a community takeover. So that's not going to rug. Crody, I mean, you're going to have to answer that for yourself. I have a lot of confidence in Crody. So spell it CRODIE. HEEHEE to the moon. Yes, sir. All right. If 5.3 theory is right, what do you think total market cap top will be? 4 or 5 billion, 4 billion. I'll say 4 billion. So I hope it's not right, but it's another tool in the tool belt. So target for Pendle, $57. Crody is only going to pump with Drake beef, which is dying. Maybe you're right, but I think it'll still do fine. So no more 52K, right? I was never talking about 52K. Saw a YouTube video and the guy said that he feels like the liquidations above us are whale and institutional shorts, and then one below us are longs from retail. I feel like it's the other way around. I don't know. Yeah, I haven't looked into that. So Calvin Hill says 8 to 12 trillion coming in. Is this BS? My target is 7 trillion. If Calvin Hill says 8 to 12 trillion, I hope he's right. He could be right. I just don't think that's enough of diminishing returns. So 12 trillion seems too high. All right, sorry, I need to plow through these comments on YouTube still. So I'm going to plow through the comments on YouTube. Thoughts on Rafi? He's the man. No complaints about Rafi. I mean, he does say he's right a little too much. Only complaint, Rafi. I love you, Rafi. But that's it. So you think we will just pump from here? No, we will not just pump from here. But I do think we have bottomed out, yes. If it holds 64K more than 2 days, we are good. I hope so. Yeah, no more 52K. Listen, I was never calling for 52K. I talked about this morning earlier in the live stream about how it seems like 52K is the number that they want you to believe so that you wait for 52K while they fill their bags. So Miguel, okay, just joining a bit late. Is it possible to expect a peak during summer, or are you still expecting August, September as the beginning of the run-up? I think we're just going to climb. We're going to build throughout the summer, and then the beginnings of the run up in August or September. Or see you never. Yeah. Okay. Can buy HEEHEE on Soulflare too. Yeah. Dude was an idiot. HEEHEE Telegram is strong. Yes, sir. Thanks, brother. Getting me some HEEHEE right now. Awesome. Yes. Start the pump in 2 weeks. We'll see. Beam LCX Pendle HEEHEE for 8x. Is it realistic? I think so. Yeah. Are you saying buy Bepe or Pepe? Yes. Both. Bepe is much bigger risk, but it's at a $1 million, $1.5 million market cap. So, yeah, I think Alephium will have better returns than Manta. HEEHEE to the moon. What do you think of this portfolio? Yassine, I'm not even going to look at it. I'm not a fan of those kind of questions. It takes too much thought when I have to be rapid fire. So, your take on Turbo, meme coin. Meme coins will pump. Let's see. Any thoughts on Popcat? I haven't looked into it enough, and it's a meme coin. Same deal. Meme coins will pump. Market cap target for Bepe. I don't have one. It's too long. No Bico Cat? Okay. Guys, please, again, I'm going to ask you this again. Okay. Please stop asking me about meme coins. What can I say about them? Fundamentally, they're meme coins. There's no utility I can look at. I could look at tokenomics, but the beautiful thing about meme coins is that a large majority of them are fully diluted, which is fantastic. You don't have to worry about inflation. And meme coins will all pump. They will all pump like crazy when Euphoria returns. So Turbo, Myro, what was some other ones? Whatever. It's the same thing. Bonk. It's the same answer that I'm going to give you for everyone. I know that you're excited about them, and they're all going to do very well at the right time. So please, I'm begging you. It's torture. You're waterboarding me right now. Okay, I've gotten enough of that. So here's a thought. I think cats are going to outperform dogs. There's a thought. Okay? Now, oh, man. Yeah, C98, I don't have a target. Jupe is all about the cat meow. All right. Is it possible for HEEHEE to reach $1? $1 billion market cap? I believe one day, yes. So will you be around next bear market? Steven, if I can make a living off of this in the next bear market, I will be around. If I can't, I will be around much less. I won't be going live every day. I would love to go live every Monday through Friday, even in the bear market. I would love to be making content, but I have a family. I have 6 kids, a wife. My wife, she stays at home. I am the sole moneymaker in our family. And so if it's possible, I will be here. If not, then I'm sure I'll be getting lots of comments like, oh, you disappeared. Alex, you disappeared in the bear market. How dare you? You're only here for the bullish times, but when things get bad, you disappear. Okay. If I was single, I could guarantee you I would be here in the bear market. I know you can't give a price for HEEHEE, but would you guess that we could realistically get 20, 50, or even 100x from here? Yes. Yeah. Will you tell us when the top is in? I can give you some thoughts. I mean, I will tell you, I did not think the top, I did not think that $73,800 was a local top. I didn't. So I can tell you when I think it's in, but like on the day of, I'll just say this, let's be realistic here. On the day that Bitcoin peaks, I will probably be bullish. I'll be urging you to take profits, but I'll probably be bullish. 99% of people will probably be bullish on the day that Bitcoin peaks. Price prediction for Rose. $1.25. So memes rely on Bitcoin pumps only. Pretty much. Memes thrive after Bitcoin crosses and holds its previous all-time high. What we saw in March was a shadow. What we saw in March was a fraction of what we saw in 2021, and it is a shadow of what we're going to see when Bitcoin crosses and holds its previous all-time high. Next time Bitcoin crosses and holds its previous all-time high, I'm not kidding, half of my crypto is going into meme coins. I am not exaggerating. How do we feel about HEEHEE sold today? Very bullish. Thoughts on Pulse Chain? I got nothing for you, man. I don't know what Richard Hart is up to. Is it too late for ABT? I don't think so. But, you know, take profits. Thanks for the info, mate. You're welcome. Price prediction on Say. I'm not super bullish on Say, in comparison to other people at least. $4.12. You started to mention Ben Key and it went to commercial. Please say what you think again. I'm sorry, bro. I made a video on YouTube about Ben Key. I'm very bullish on it. It's like a smaller version of Pendle. So do you have Ponk? I should. I don't. Or is it Ponky? What's your prediction for new all-time high for Bitcoin? My target's $155,000. We'll see. Unless Richard reappears, it won't pump. Yeah. You're waterboarding me right now. I mean, yeah. What are the questions that feel like waterboarding to me? You know, are you still bullish on insert X crypto here? Waterboarding. It's torture. Should I buy now or wait for the dip? Waterboarding. That's my number. That's from 2021. What do you think of random stupid meme coin that will eventually go to zero? Waterboarding. So, all right, here's a thought for disappear for a while, and next time you post on X, he will pump. That's a great comment. So that's like, what's his name? Roaring Kitty. Yeah, Roaring Kitty. Yeah, Crystal Healing Coach, I did answer your question. Doge will hit $1.20. We'll see. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'm just going to disappear, and then I'll tweet. Do you have a course? No. I do have a series on TikTok. I made it in December. It's called Bitcoin University. It's $1.99. You know, you want to buy that? I think it's very helpful. I just, you know, I don't talk about it all that much anymore. So I have $1,000 for a mentorship. Is that enough? No. I hate to say it. I'm sorry. I just, it's torture for me. The idea of doing something like that. You know, I'm sure that I have a dollar amount that I'd be willing to accept for being your mentor, but it's not $1,000. Alex, when you keep going in the bear market, that would be great. I want to learn trading with you. Yeah, that's the plan. As of right now, that's the plan. So, Ajax, what do we say about Ajax? Okay, it's a statement, Crystal Healing Coach. Ajax is merging, right, with Fetch and Ocean. You got to wait for that. So, thoughts on Rose? I'm not too blown away by Rose, honestly. So, price prediction for ABT. That's waterboarding right there. What is wrong with the VRA tokenomics? They did something. I just don't care enough to look into it, but maybe I should, because I'm like, what's wrong with VRA tokenomics? I looked into it once. I don't understand, but they did something that they said they weren't going to do. And all right, I don't care. I don't own VRA anymore, and I'm not going to. So Ribbonfi down 20%. It'll be fine. That's your next meme coin, waterboarding. There we go. Thoughts on Shiba? Just pour some water, strap me down, put a towel on my face, and pour some water. I do have a price target for Shiba Inu, 0.000222192. So you'll be back for a new 12-passenger van. There we go, Joe. Yeah. How do you feel about coin codex predictions? I have no idea what the coin codex predictions are. Thoughts on Akash and Waves? I like Akash a lot. Don't know enough about Waves. GFAL tokenomics and price prediction is too new. No thoughts. Nothing on it. I do own some GFAL. Not a lot, like $50 worth. So, do you have a Goldfinch video? I reviewed it briefly. I reviewed it briefly in a TikTok video. I like it. So, what's your price target on Shiba again? 0.000229192. That's about a 2.6x from its all-time high. Again, all right, let's talk about something real quick. I just want to remind you, for those of you on TikTok, actually, all right, all of you, if you don't follow me on TikTok, I'm going to give you one reason to follow me on TikTok, and I think this is going to be very convincing. Okay, most of you know this. I'm just going to say it. April, May of 2021, there were 1,000 people in my live stream. I had about 30,000 followers on TikTok at that time. But April and May of 2021, there were 1,000 people in my live stream. That was the peak. November of 2021, I had like 90,000 followers. 1,000 people in my live stream. That was the peak. March of 2024, it didn't feel at all like we were at a local top, but we were at a peak. There were 1,000 people in my live stream. There were actually 1,100 people in my live stream. And you know what? Bitcoin hasn't really gone down all that much. I didn't think Bitcoin was going to go down all that much. And that was kind of like the distraction, right? Because altcoins suffered tremendously. And that would have been a fantastic time to just sell everything and then reload at another date. Okay? So next time, there's 1,000 people in my live stream, I'm serious with you. I'm being absolutely serious. I'm selling half of my crypto. Even though right now there's 150,000 followers on TikTok, it just seems like whenever we get to 1,000 people in the live stream, that's the time. That's the time to exit. So even though this account has 5 times as many people following it as it did in May of 2021, it's still, for some reason, 1,000 people. That's the exit. So, do you still strong on Myria? I have not sold a dime of my Myria. I'm still bullish on it. Yeah, that's scary thinking about it. Yeah. Price for Chainlink, $58.33. What would you buy today if you had 1,500 USD? I don't know, man. Pendle. Pendle's going to bounce back. Very bullish on Pendle. Doge target, please. It's probably too conservative, but it's 53 cents. What do you think of AMC? I'm not touching GameStop and AMC right now. I bought 100 shares of GameStop. And if you're talking about the stock and not the crypto, I bought 100 shares of GameStop, sold a covered call, got $555 of premium. That's insane. And the call was for a $34 strike price. Now it's at $33.77. I think we had a little bit of fun with GameStop, and it's over now. So same for AMC. VRL, I got nothing for you, man. I am still a believer in VRL, but they just face so much FUD all the time. What's your kid's favorite crypto apart from HEEHEE? Bitcoin, I don't know. Chainlink, $58.33. TVK, I don't know anything about it. I'm going to launch the waterboarding token. There we go. All right, guys, I'm switching to subscriber only on TikTok. If you want to stay in the live stream, you'll have 6 minutes on TikTok. You could join as a subscriber, or you could head over to YouTube. World War Bitcoin. I don't have a price target for Goldfinch, but I'm still live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. All right, what else? Rose. Talked about Rose already. Not super excited about it, but Rose. Price target. Arweave. $111 is my price target for Arweave. Rose. $1.25. LCX, what about it? LCX is good. It's one of my favorites to buy right now. I am not at all concerned about the chop. I know people have lost a lot of patience with LCX. It's been holding up very well. It's been holding up very, very well. So, do you keep most of your crypto on exchanges during the bull run in case you have to sell quick, or do you keep it in cold wallet? I actually don't have a cold wallet. I know that's controversial. I don't have a cold wallet. So I have Trust Wallet and MetaMask. I'm fine with that. You know, it's spread out. So what else? I'm actually caught up on the comments apparently. I hope that's right. I don't see any new comments beyond Jake's. When do you think LCX will move? Just wondering if I should rotate into something else. I would not rotate out of LCX. Let's see a new all-time high for Bitcoin. And then I think LCX is going to explode. You are right. I'm right about something. Thoughts on Whiff? Dog Whiff Hat. Meme coin. No thoughts. It'll go higher. Thank you for your update on Rose. Yeah. Produce AI thoughts. I bought some. I doubled down. It's under a $1 million market cap. I might buy some more. So next retest for Bitcoin leveling up. The 50-day EMA. Let me switch back to the EMAs here. That's my thought, 50-day EMA. So 50-day EMA right now is at 63,300 and change. So it's going to rise now, you know, it's going to rise, but I think a retest of that before next move up. So any price prediction on Doge? No, too new, too small. But did I buy some Doge? I think I bought some. Yeah, I bought some Doge this past weekend. So can you look at the Doge chart? Doge up 4.6% today. Let's see. Oh man, I gave an entry. It filled perfectly 2 days ago. It was perfect. So now I don't think it's going back down to that. I would be buying Doge right now. If you're right about LCX, I'm going to fly my butt out of Kansas. We're drinking beers. All right. What do you think about Flux Ondo's lending protocol? Flux on, I don't know anything about that. Do you think before NVIDIA report May 22nd, AI crypto will pump and then dump? Yep. I've made lots of content about that. That's exactly what I think is going to happen. So, what's the mini pendle coin you mentioned earlier? QI, not QAI. I don't know what QAI is. Any word on the merger coming? I don't know. I sold the rest of my fetch last week. I just don't want anything to do with it. So AO's target, probably too conservative, but it's $3.40. Yeah, Produce AI. Talked about that. Price prediction for Rio. I don't have one. I'm just very bullish on it. Yeah, I picked up Crody. That was too good of a move there. So what about Say? Say wants to be the premier layer 1 for DeFi, but they don't have enough money locked in their ecosystem. Maybe that'll change. My price target for Say is $4.12. Do you ride a motorcycle? Great time to think about trades. Oh, wait, sorry. Should we sell AI on the 21st of May? I'm just going to wait until May 22nd, honestly. So, Alex, is there any meme coin in AOs? No, I don't think so. So, I do not own a motorcycle. I do not ride one. My wife, I'm in charge. But when it comes to riding a motorcycle, my wife has prevailed over me. So I will never own a motorcycle. Yeah, Crypto Sage, $50 LCX. Do we even get a quarter of that? My target's $7.37, and I think that's aggressive. ASI merger, May 24th. There we go. Yeah, too dangerous, man. I saw a video for a motorcycle kind of thing that will not fall over. I was like, huh. You know, you're like entirely encapsulated in this thing, but if it gets hit by a car, it'll like wobble and then come right back up. And I was like, hey, you know what? Maybe I should do that. Thoughts on Sandbox this cycle? Metaverse will pump during Euphoria and only during Euphoria. So I'm not touching Sandbox right now. And Sandbox is very highly inflationary. And yet, $5.60, that's more than a 12x. It's more than a 13x. So you got that. Do you think Bitcoin will go down again? I hope I answered your question already. 50-day EMA, that's about 63.5, 63.3 and change. So yeah, AO's target. What is my official? I think it is $3.40, but that's way too. When I made that video, AO's was at 15 cents. It made sense to me. Now it's like only $3.40. I'm not going to change it on the spreadsheet, but it's probably going to go higher than that. What 3 companies merging to ASI? Agix, Fetch AI, and Ocean. Is it possible for HEEHEE to reach $1? Yes. Yes, it is. LCX pumping a little bit today. Yeah, I noticed that. Let's go. Okay, Quant AI is a new coin. If you could look at it when you have time, it's on Uniswap. All right, guys, be careful. I mean, I'm not saying Quant AI is one of these. Hey, what's up, DBZ? But it could be. We're going to see a lot of vaporware. We might have already seen it. We're going to see a lot of vaporware with AI, with new AI cryptos. So I don't know anything about this. Yeah, available on Uniswap. $3 million fully diluted market cap. 24-hour trading volume, 19,000. Woo. Who knows, man? Maybe it'll do well. What do you think of... All right, I have 357,000 coins of LCX, as you can math. $5 would be crazy. Yeah, I could see why you would fly out from Kansas. What do you think of Emerald? It's an RWA crypto that I haven't looked into. Small cap, got shilled a lot. Chart looks dead, which gets me very excited. So, still bullish on Blender. Was I ever bullish on Blender? I mean, I could see it doing well. You know, if people believe it's a render competitor, then sure. But I've never given an all-out endorsement on Blender. So, Audius, haven't really looked into it. Let me see the chart here. Whoo. What are we doing with Audius? Oh, that's ugly. Oh, man. I don't want to mess with this. Thank you, Leah. Jupiter target. I'm guessing Audius is very highly inflationary with a chart like that. $16.67 for Jupiter. Meta hero thoughts after the bull run, or sorry, when Euphoria comes, Meta hero will do well. Until then, not at all. So let's go back to Bitcoin. In 2012, I went for a ride on my bike, woke up in a hospital, was in physiotherapy for 2.5 years. Wow. Had to find a new profession. Yeah. Thoughts on Velo? I haven't looked into it a ton, but I like it, you know. Velo and Arrow. Any thoughts on Milady? It's a meme coin. Meme coins will explode at the proper time. We need a new all-time high for Bitcoin. What's your prediction for Solana? $694 and change. $694.59. Just redo it, bro. No, I'm not redoing any of my price targets. Because here's the problem with redoing my price targets. Is as these cryptos get up to my price targets, you're going to want me to redo my price predictions, and on the day, let's just say that one of my videos, one of my price predictions gets to, let's talk about Solana real quick. $694. Let's just say that Solana peaks at $500. A lot of you are going to come in here on that day that Solana peaks at $500, and you're going to tell me, bro, you need to redo your price target. Just redo it, bro. It's all good. We're obviously going above $694, and that'll be the day of the peak. You know, and no, I'm not redoing any of my price targets, because I'm going to be tempted to redo them. You know, as these things get to those price targets or beyond them, I'm going to be tempted to redo them as they get close to those price targets. And it's just, I'm not going to do it. You have what you have. Coke Thought. Again, meme coins, you're waterboarding me. That's all I'll say. They'll all do well. Do you have any videos on how to withdraw from MetaMask and Veracity? I don't. And Wayne, there's got to be videos on YouTube. Please, just don't ask me to make a video. It's not difficult. Is DGI in that wait and hold pattern got wrecked like everything else? I'm still holding a large bag and I'm down bad. Yeah, people are going to be down bad on different things. DGI. Any big news for HEEHEE? Nothing new, but I mean, I haven't told anyone this. I paid $150 yesterday for 24 hours of this Twitter rating system. And it seemed like it did well. Volume on HEEHEE increased, and so I paid $500 for another week of it. So we'll see. Aleph.im prediction. I don't have one. Wait, so that's not Alephium, is it? That's a different thing, right? So DGI, to answer that question about DGI, I wouldn't be opposed to loading up on it a little more right now. So yeah, it is a different one. Never mind. I don't have anything for you on that. So how do you feel about Jasmy? I like Jasmy a lot. I've made a lot of videos talking about Jasmy. My price target is 11.5 cents. Maybe that's too conservative. I'll acknowledge that. So do you have any crypto influencer? Who do you follow? The Blockchain Backer is my go-to. The Blockchain Backer, I have 3. So the Blockchain Backer, he's on YouTube and X. Emperor BTC, he's on X and Telegram. And then Pentoshi, he's on X. So thanks for all your help. You're welcome, Julia. Inject. Injective? What's inject? May have missed an Aurora price target. I really don't have one. Maybe $5. Oh, injective. What's up with these the Cosmos ecosystem cryptos have been really suffering lately. So injective, you know, I do have a long set for 1908. I'm not saying it's going to get there, but we'll see. Owned a Can-Am rider for a few years, very stable, but if a car hits you, yeah. Brandon waterboarding jokes. I don't. Was I upset about something about waterboarding? I have no idea what you're asking. Can you check Ponky Bush? I mean, during this entire live stream, I've been begging people to not ask me about meme coins. But I am looking it up on the chart right now. 114 million. I mean, you know, you can see a cup and handle forming. It looks strong. I'll say that. So we'll see. Lithium finance. Don't know enough about lithium finance. Still. Oh, what did you mention about injective? I mean, the Cosmos ecosystem coins have been struggling lately. But my price target's still the same. It's over $300. So, what are your thoughts on about injective staking? How much need to stake to claim an airdrop do you think? $100 per validator. No worries, Bush. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna plow through the YouTube comments here, and then I'm gonna be done soon. So. I want to give my kid some crypto for his birthday. Any recommendations? I don't know. I bought, you know, honestly, just buy Bitcoin. Just buy Bitcoin and put it somewhere. Because what you want for your kid is for your kid to hold it until he or she is an adult. Until he's an adult. So he is a good, yeah, he's a good gift. Yeah. I assumed we would get closer to sell time before the predictions will make more sense. I don't know what you're saying. Is he your pronouns? Yes. I did tweet that on the HEEHEE account. So is it possible to subscribe to your price predictions? It's not. Here you go. There you go. It's free. In your particular case, at what crypto net worth would you reckon you made it? $2 million maybe. Well, I don't know. I mean, my goal for the end of this bull run is to have $500,000 in stocks and 10 Bitcoin. So that's whatever that is. That would be it. Crow target $1.80. What is Pendle next target? Higher. $57 is my peak target. Do you have a video of what indicators and tools you use? No, I just talk about it in general in my videos. So what's your prediction for HEEHEE price? I legally cannot tell you, but much higher. What do you think about ICP price action? It's been holding. You know, people are complaining that it's just a stable coin, but everything else has been dumping. ICP's been holding. So, did you say 300 for Atom? Oh no, 300 for Injective. Was your LRC price target 470? It was 409. Bitcoin. Bookmark the chart. It updates automatically. Yep. My goal for the end of this bull is enough profit to buy a house with cash and buy 1 Bitcoin for each of my kids. That's nice. That's a good goal, Joe. So, is Shapeshift Fox trash? I don't know anything about it. Probably. Thoughts on Naka? I have been very much in opposition to people who think Naka's like the next big thing. They were incredibly arrogant in early 2024, and now it seems like crickets. My target is $12.60. But there are some concerns with Nakamoto Games. The biggest one is their whale wallets are incredibly large. They own a lot of this cryptocurrency, and they're up big from the bear market bottom. So, all right, guys, I'm going to run. So I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna answer ball-headed Jimmy Head's comment, or I see you say, I like Fox. Okay, cool. After you dump ASI, top AI projects to buy with your ASI profits, Render and AOs, and Chlor, still Chlor. Thoughts on Aerodrome? Aerodrome, I have a $30+ price target. I'm very bullish on it. Top RWA print projects: Ondo, Pendle, Prop C, and Rio. All right, I am done on YouTube. So have a good one, everybody. I'll see you next time.